Some of the probably more visible signs of a poorly installed window is when you're looking at the window, if you see any cracks or breaks or gaps around the window between the trim, the extension jamb, and the window. That installers might have put it in, it might be too small of a window. Also, when you're looking at a window, the meeting rail here, if the meeting rail doesn't meet perfectly horizontal, when you close the window, it means the window is out of square. If you're having a hard time locking your window, that means the window could be crooked inside of the hole. Something you might also try to do is go into the outside of the house and look at how the window was installed. Again, if you see any gaps or cracks or missing caulk, that's definitely a sign of a poorly installed window. Also, if the window sits too far outside of the opening, if it looks like the windows are going to fall out of the opening from the outside, it means that the installer set them too far outside of the house, which could create a water issue in the future.